How to fix can't install Snapchat on Google Play Store. This tutorial covers the most common reasons the install button gets stuck and how to get it working. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, search for Snapchat and check whether it shows install or if it's stuck on a spinning icon instead. After that, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, tap your profile icon at the top right of the Play Store. Following this, tap Settings. From here, tap Network Preferences. At this stage, tap Clear Local Search History, since a buildup of cached data on the Play Store itself can sometimes block installs. Following this, go back and try installing Snapchat again. If it's still not working, check your available storage by going to Settings, then Battery and Device Care, then Storage, since not having enough free space can silently block installations. From here, if storage looks fine, long press the Play Store app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. At this stage, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Following this, tap Clear Data separately afterward if the issue continues, which resets the Play Store completely. Keep in mind, clearing data on the Play Store will sign you out and reset any saved preferences, so you may need to log back in with your Google account afterward. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device before trying the install one more time. That's how you fix can't install Snapchat on the Play Store. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.